Welcome to this picture mnemonic for Proteus mirabilis. In this video, I will help you to remember the properties of Proteus bacteria through this picture mnemonic so that it will be easy for you to retain the information for a longer time. So let's get started. Proteus is a gram-negative bacilli, okay, which I have drawn here to picturize the gram-negative bacilli. This is the bacteria which I have drawn here in pink color, because when gram stain is prepared and if the bacteria on the slide is gram negative, then they will take the pink color. Okay, so because of this I have drawn the bacteria in pink color. So first property is they are gram negative bacilli. Okay, second, they are motile and they show swarming property on culture media. Okay, because of the motility, there is a swarming that is seen on the culture media, which are represented here with this bacteria who is swimming, okay, here, and so swimming for swarming, okay, and also motile. So this will help you to remember the motile property and swarming. Okay, swimming for swarming. Then you can see this swimming tube. This is O shaped. Okay, this I have drawn to make you remember the O antigen, which is used in Will-Felix reaction for detection of this Proteus mirabilis. So Will-Felix is a test that is used for Proteus mirabilis. Okay, so how to remember the Will-Felix test is, you can see this toy truck which was broken by one of the child, okay, and the wheels of the truck fell down. Okay, so wheels fell down, so from this you can remember Will-Felix. Okay, so wheels fell down, wheels fell, which represents Will-Felix. Okay, then you can see here this father bacteria is taking rest, okay, and having umbrella and the sunglasses. Okay, why he is wearing the sunglasses? To be protected from UV rays. Okay, so this UV rays represent urease. Okay, so urease is the bacteria's enzyme, okay, which will form ammonia in the urinary tract of humans, and this will increase the pH of the urinary tract, and this bacteria will be able to thrive there. Okay, so this Proteus mirabilis produces urease bacteria. Then you can see this oxygen label bottle of juice which have a cork upon. Okay, so it is cork means it is sealed. Okay, so this represents that oxygen cannot come out. So um, this will help you to remember that this Proteus mirabilis is oxidase negative. Then you can see these stones which I have drawn here. This is a big stone, this is small stones. This will help you that mainly this bacteria mainly causes urinary tract stones, and mostly the stone name is Truite stone. Okay, then you can see this gray color flowers which is non-lactose fermenter. Okay, this represents non-lactose fermenter, which I already explained you in my salmonella video. Okay, uh, so this gray color flowers stands for non-lactose fermenters. Then you can see this neighbor bacteria. Okay, he is peeping inside the house of this bacteria, and so we can call him as a nosy neighbor. And from this you can remember that Proteus mirabilis causes nosocomial infection, that is it mostly causes UTI. Okay, nosocomial UTI. Okay, so yeah, now let's summarize everything once again. uh, Protease mirabilis is a gram negative bacteria. Okay, they produces O antigen which will be helpful in Will-Felix reaction. Okay, then they are motile and they show swarming pattern on culture media. They are non-lactose fermenters. They produces UTI and urinary stone in the urinary tract. Okay, then they are oxidase negative. They produces urease so that they will increase the pH and they can thrive in the urinary tract. They causes nosocomial infection, and you can see this baby bacteria is urinated, okay, in the pool. So with this you can remember the infection UTI. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope this videos are helpful to you, and stay tuned for more videos like this.